So, you've got the keys. You've got the vision, but before you start hacking walls, you need to know the math. The most common question new homeowners ask us is, how much renovation loan can I get? Let's crunch the numbers. In Singapore, the general rule of thumb for renovation loans Singapore banks offer is simple. You can typically borrow up to 6 times your monthly income or $30,000. Whichever is lower, it doesn't matter if you are looking for a HDB renovation loan or a condo renovation loan package. This $30,000 cap is the industry standard set by most banks. Let's look at 2 examples. If you earn $3,000 a month, your limit is 6 times that. So, you can borrow a maximum of $18,000. But if you earn $6,000 a month, 6 times your income is $36,000. Do you get $36,000? No, you've hit the ceiling. The bank caps you at $30,000. Before you apply, check your renovation loan eligibility Singapore requirements. Generally, you need to be a Singapore citizen or PR, aged 21 to 65. Most banks require a minimum annual income of at least $24,000. And crucial tip, you need to own the property, or be a family member of the owner with their consent. Thinking of applying jointly with your spouse to get more money? Be careful. Many banks calculate the joint loan limit based on the lower income earner to ensure affordability. So if you earn $5,000 but your partner earns $3,000, the bank might base the 6x multiplier on the $3,000 income, giving you a lower total loan than if you applied alone. Always check the T&Cs. But wait, data shows an average 4-room HDB renovation costs over $50,000. The $30,000 loan won't cover it. What can you do? Option 1. Split it. Take a renovation loan from Bank A and another from Bank B at the same time. Option 2. Top up with a personal loan. Personal loans often have higher limits, up to 4x or even 10x your monthly income, and the cash can be used for furniture, unlike renovation loans. Don't let the math kill your mood board. Compare the best renovation and personal loans on SingSaver to find the gap funding you need. Build your dream home, but build your budget first.